X.
Alright, it's recording, bro.
She's on the shitter.
Yeah, she's on the shitter.
What are you doing?
Nigga, it's ready.
Okay.
Here. You want to tell them what this nasty shit is?
Tell who?
The YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah. It's going on YouTube. I wish you told me you had this. I wish you told me you had this. Won't it be like a shitload of redip? We'll take your can. I can't do it that way.
Oh, you see this?
Yep.
Well, I can, but
Yo, bro. What you got?
Not enough for your bitch ass.
why the fuck not?
I don't know. I need more bitch ass over here take none.
Dickweed.
Trash can.
Here.
That's not funny.
I'm gonna go outside and
You're the one that dips like.
who?
Ew.
I'm gonna go outside and rip on the bong a little bit more. Smoke the rest of my weed. Before grandma gets here.
There's plenty of stoners on there.
Where?
YouTube.
Nah.
Yeah.
Bro. Hey, bro. Stop your tap.
Come on, Corey. Let me see if this hurts.
Ow! Fucker! Got me where I punched her in the stomach, you dumbass!
I thought it was empty.
No! You better find that before grandma's dogs get a hold of it.
What? 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 Yeah, stop, nigga. Stop. Hey, I done it on accident. I didn't do it on
I've done 3 years in the military, boys. I ain't afraid to do shit.
More like 5 minutes.
5 minutes, dude? At least I didn't fucking... George, ready to hear this? George! Dumbass. Oh, I got my first job. I only got 1 day out of 2 weeks. What a loser! How'd that feel?
like a bit. It's not even. I think it's empty. Hit the floor because it might be empty.
Boys, I think we're at.
Here.
You back?
Dude, I'm fucking loading it for you. If I load it for you, you just can't fucking hit me with it.
What about my job?
Then stop, nigga. You're actually gonna shoot one of us with a staple. And it's gonna fucking hurt. Dude, stop and I'll put more staples in it for you.
You already shot me with it? No, I said, at least I didn't, get a job and go 1 day out in 2 weeks.
Dude, that shit's hard, bro.
Which is hard.
What I was doing.
Fuck.
How about you lift up 100 fucking
Corey, you
600
fucked up,
pound
bro.
canoes and fucking try to put on the top lift?
Dude, I
All day long?
Mm-hmm. With the bad back,
Like lifting bitches.
with the bad back and a bad ankle.
Oh, yeah. All day long.
Yeah, I'm gonna put these in there.
His nut stops his tank.
Grandma's gonna get one staple everyone. She's gonna be pissed. I'm gonna show him this.
Who's that bitch? You pimping her out? How much you back? How much you take? How much you? Not a whole lot.
The whole can.
Yeah. Ain't got shit. You're lucky I got
You
marijuana.
want it back?
Want this back?
No. Keep that.
Alright, boy, I'm going outside to smoke my weed.
I'm probably going home. Because I gotta get home before it gets too damn dark.
You got rolling. I'm gonna come in for my ball.
Dare you. I dare you.
Alright, boy, I'll be right back.
You better hurry.
Dude, where's my black? You don't happen to have a flashlight, would you, that I can borrow? For a minute?
No.
What is this shit?
No! Put that
shit down.
It makes the dog's breath smell good.
Yeah, dude, I do it every time I'm fucking here.
Oh my god.
This shithole.
Show them the camera. Show everybody the puppy. Show them how that shit works.
Smell that?
Mm-hmm.
Smell that skunk? Huh? You smell that green weed?
That dirt.
You just throw her back in there.
It's leaking.
Somewhere.
Now, where's Emmy? Emmy!
Who's Emmy?
Oh, tell me that she can go outside.
Dude, I can smell that shit now.
Emmy!
Probably in the laundry room.
Miss Daisy May! What you doing?
Saw a couple out in the house. She get mad.
Dude, I smelled it though.
Did you? Get back!
I want to smell. Yeah, dude.
Good girl.
Be back.
Tell them who made that for you.
Come here, Bubba. Come on. Come on.
Hey.
This one's mine. My puppy.
Gus?
Is that right, Bubba? Every time I put this in his mouth, dude, he gets pissed off at me.
Your grandma won't be mad that we're spinning the garbage, right?
Nah, I do it all the time when I got it. Good boy.
Your one and only is back.
Huh?
So your one and only is back. Oh, what are you saying about bong and shit?
Who's here?
Tell them who made it.
Does it smell like weed in here, boys?
No.
No.
No. Well, I'm gonna head out because
Later, bitches.